Starting with the letter scene, we will start off from the height of 1.5 nuqtas. The first bump will be a little smaller, and the second one will be a bit bigger than the first one. And from here, we will drop our qalam downwards with the tip, just like this. From here, we will make the body of the letter just like the half oval formation, and gradually we will come up and move our qalam to inward direction when touching this line. The same formula applies here in the same way that one nuqta here, one here, here, and here. Alright? If we want to use the letter as commencing, we will only use the head of the letter, and you can connect any other letter after it. The head of the letter seen will be used in the same manner with all the letters. And if you want to use it in the middle, the only difference you will see is in the angle of the head, just like this. And then you can connect any other letter before or after it. You will see here that the angle of the head is near to be horizontal, whereas here you will see the formation of the head here is a little inclined.